This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty in third person. To begin, navigate to the game's main menu and look for game modes that specifically support a third-person perspective. These are often found in dedicated playlists or custom game options. Once selected, your camera will automatically shift to an over-the-shoulder view, giving you a wider field of vision. This perspective offers a fresh way to experience the battlefield, allowing you to see your character and surroundings from a new angle. Playing in third person changes how you interact with the game world. Your movement feels more deliberate, and aiming requires a slight adjustment as your reticle is no longer directly centered on the screen. The wider field of view is a major advantage, letting you peek around corners without fully exposing yourself. While aiming down sights still offers precision, you'll often rely more on hipfire in close quarters. Mastering this perspective means adapting your muscle memory to the new camera angle. There are distinct advantages and disadvantages to playing in third person. On the positive side, you gain significantly increased situational awareness, often seeing around obstacles that would block a first-person view. This can be a game changer for tactical play. However, aiming precision, particularly for long-range engagements, is generally reduced. The reticle isn't as tight, making those pinpoint shots more challenging. It's a trade-off between broader vision and pinpoint accuracy, requiring a different strategic approach. To truly master third-person gameplay, focus on smart positioning and map awareness. Use the camera to your advantage by peeking around corners and observing enemy movements without fully exposing yourself. Practice makes perfect, so spend time in custom games or less competitive modes to get a feel for the aiming and movement. Experiment with various weapons, some may feel more natural in this view. With dedication, you'll become a formidable force, utilizing the unique benefits of the third-person perspective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.